Welcome to an exclusive look inside a billion-dollar palm oil factory. We'll explore the massive industrial process that turns fresh palm fruits into one of the world's most widely used vegetable oils. Palm oil is a multi-billion-dollar global commodity, essential to countless products. Its versatility and high yield make it incredibly valuable in the global market. The entire process begins on large plantations, with the careful cultivation and harvest of the fruits. Oil palm trees are cultivated on massive plantations. These trees produce large clusters called fresh fruit bunches, or FFB, each weighing up to 25 kilograms. Workers harvest the ripe reddish-orange bunches when the oil content is at its peak. The FFB are quickly transported to the factory to maintain quality before processing begins. Once at the factory, the bunches undergo critical pre-processing steps before the oil can be extracted. The first major step is sterilization. Huge pressurized steam chambers soften the fruits, stop enzyme activity that spoils the oil, and prepare them for separation from the stalks. Next, the bunches move into large rotating drums called threshers. These machines spin rapidly to detach the individual palm fruits from the stalks. Now, we move into the heart of the operation, the digestion and pressing stage to extract the crude palm oil. The loose fruits enter massive industrial digesters. Rotating blades mash and heat the fruits into a thick, uniform pulp, ready for pressing. The digested pulp is then pushed into powerful hydraulic presses, which squeeze out the crude liquid containing oil, water, and fiber. The extracted liquid now needs extensive cleaning to become the final commercial product. This is the clarification and refining stage. The liquid flows into clarification tanks, where heating separates the lighter oil from the heavier water and fiber. The oil rises to the top and is skimmed off as crude palm oil, or CPO. Finally, the CPO moves into purification and refining systems. It is filtered to remove impurities and moisture, resulting in clean, golden palm oil ready for use. Modern factories are engineered to maximize yield and efficiency through advanced automation and resource utilization. Leftover materials are not wasted. The kernels inside the palm fruits are separated and processed separately to yield palm kernel oil, another valuable product used widely in cosmetics and food. Billion-dollar factories are highly automated. Digital control rooms constantly monitor temperature and pressure, ensuring maximum efficiency and consistent quality throughout the entire process. The final refined palm oil is stored in massive tanks before being transported globally. This versatile oil is found in everything from food to cosmetics, fueling a multi-billion-dollar global industry.